Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you can you get thread badge back on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application, and here you can see my thread badge. You simply need to click on that, and here you can see this temporary badge lets your followers know you are on thread and send them to your profile if they have the app. So this is the first purpose of this thread badge, and if you want to hide, you simply need to click on that, and here you can see that you can't add it back to your profile once you remove it. So basically there is no method to get your thread patch back on Instagram once you remove. So make sure once you before removing that, are you ready to remove that, then you simply need to hit on that button. Otherwise you can't get this batch back on Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.